Hello everyone, my name is Allyson Guerra and I am an Assistant Center Supervisor, today representing Cliffdale Rec Center. And today I have an at-home project we can do. It's called Kinetic Sand, and this project just requires a couple ingredients that you can find at home and some sand. So first we'll start with 1 cup of fine grained sand. Measure that out. Put that in our mixing bowl. Next, we will have 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Put that in. Then 1 tablespoon of dish soap. In. And now we will mix. Once everything is mixed together, you will take 1/4 cup of water and mix that in. So now you got a little bit of a paste, and we will add another 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Now mix that up. Now make sure you're breaking up all the clumps of cornstarch that will form. You don't want any dry spots. When you're done, your mixture will look pretty soupy, so it'll be a little wet like this. So you have to actually let it sit for a few hours, and in a few hours you will get a thicker mixture. This has been sitting for some time. Still not exactly ready, but this is what it'll start looking like. And at the end, after a few hours, you will have this sand to play with. And this is a fun project. It's good, like sensory play. But you can do lots of things with this sand, but most of all, you can have fun.